Hey everyone, and welcome to another video from Banana Camper. This video is going to be a quick tutorial on how to fix blow-up mattresses for camping. Often you set up a tent and you need to have those blow-up mattresses and eventually they have a puncture. So that's what this video is about. Before we get going, don't forget to like this video and subscribe so you can help me to grow this channel. Well, let's start with the mattress that I'm referring to. So in South Africa, this brand is quite popular. Intex. I've got 3 of them, and often there is a puncture, especially underneath, but sometimes in the joints as well. So if I didn't have this hack, I wouldn't be able to fix this particular mattress. So I hope this video is going to help you too. It's very simple. First of all, you need to identify where the puncture is. Sometimes if you blow it, you can just hear where the puncture is. You can hear the air flowing out. But if not, you just use some soapy water like this, water and detergent, and you spray. You can see where the bubbles are coming from, so you can identify the puncture. And once you have that, all that you're gonna need is super glue, I'm gonna show here, and bicarbonate of soda, okay? That you can find anywhere. Gel one doesn't work well, has to be the liquid one like this one here. Okay, so I have this plastic container here that I'm simulating a puncture. I have this little nail here that I'm simulating a puncture. So essentially, all that you have to do, okay, is to put some glue, and then with a little spade like this, you just drop a bit of this bicarbonate of soda into the glue that is in here. So essentially, that is what you're gonna do. You're gonna put some super glue here, just a drop, and then you drop some bicarbonate of soda, and the bicarbonate of soda will potentialize the glue here. So it makes this combination very strong. And that will, I've done it several times in my 3 mattresses that I have and never had a problem. So you just clean it a bit, and there we go. You have this, let me show you here, right here. You have this little bubble is where the super glue is. Sometimes, depending on the size of the puncture, you may want to do another layer. Put some super glue around. Make sure that you obviously clean a bit the surface, or sometimes if it's, just make sure that it's clean to improve the adherence. Put a little more of this. You can make several layers, in fact. And that, you can see now, is a bit bigger. But with this, I can guarantee you that you're gonna have a very strong puncture repaired here, and the air is not gonna flow. I've done it several times. In fact, I have other examples here, like this kitchen spade, also fixed here with the super glue and bicarbonate of soda. I have this other vacuum cleaner handle that also was broken. Doesn't look very pretty, but it did work, and it makes this joint very strong that you normally wouldn't be able to repair with the normal super glue alone. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe so you can help me to grow this channel, and I'll see you camping somewhere in South Africa. Bye-bye.